In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Monday.com for time tracking. If you've been struggling to figure out how to track your time effectively within Monday.com, stick around, I'll break it down for you in under 5 minutes. Monday.com does provide a great set of tools for managing tasks, but when it comes to time tracking, things can get a bit tricky. So let's jump right in. First thing you want to do is make sure you're using the right board type. When setting up a project in Monday.com, choose a project board that has a time tracking column. This is essential for accurately recording time spent on each task. You can add a time tracking column by simply clicking Add Column and selecting Time Tracking from the options. Once that's in place, you'll see a stopwatch icon next to each task. Next thing, setting the start and end time for each task. After adding the time tracking column, just click on the stopwatch icon and you'll be prompted to enter the start and end times. You can either enter these manually or start the timer directly from the task, which is great for real-time tracking. The third thing you need to know is how to view the data. Once you've logged your time, you can track the total time spent by reviewing the time tracking column on your board. It will automatically tally up the hours for each task, which gives you a clear view of how long everything is taking. Now, the fourth thing, let's talk about automation. One of the big perks of Monday.com is its automation capabilities. You can set up automated actions to notify you when a task has been running too long or even move tasks based on specific time thresholds. This can be super helpful to avoid missing deadlines and keep your projects on track. Next up, integrating with other tools. If you're using other apps for time tracking, Monday.com offers integrations with apps like Harvest, Toggle, and Clockify. These apps allow you to sync your time tracking data directly with Monday.com, so if you're already using those tools, you won't have to switch things up. The last thing I want to mention is the reporting. Monday.com allows you to generate reports based on time tracking data, so you can gain insights into how your team is performing or where time might be slipping away. You can easily pull these reports for specific tasks, time periods, or even across different boards. But here's the thing, while Monday.com is great for managing tasks and keeping everything organized, time tracking isn't always its strongest feature. If you're looking for more powerful time tracking features, or if you're managing a large team with complex tracking needs, you might want to consider alternatives. Some of these tools offer better, more robust time tracking features. Now, before you go, I've got something special for you. Through the link in the description, you'll get exclusive access to an extended free trial for Monday.com, but I'm also giving you some amazing alternatives that are perfect for time tracking. These options also come with free trials, and I believe they'll be better suited for your time tracking goals. So, don't forget to check out the link for the best deal, and remember, it's only available to you, our viewer. Enjoy the time tracking journey.